welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today I have two of the new Sisley Ombre Eclat Liquid Eyeshadows. I have number 5 bronze and number 3 pink gold. I'm gonna put these to the test, show you the application of them on my eyes, as well as some comparison swatches to some other eyeshadows that I have in my collection. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then just keep watching. Okay, so I have the new Sisley Ombre Eclat Liquid Eyeshadows. I got it in the shade number 5 bronze and the shade number 3 pink gold. So on Sisley's website, it says that these are long-lasting liquid eyeshadows that immediately deposit an ultra-luminous wash of color while offering a feeling of freshness and lightness. It says the eyelids are visibly smooth and it offers absolute comfort all day long. So I have a full face of makeup on already except for my eyes. I will link all of the products that I used down below, but most of them are Sisley. So what I want to do first is I want to swatch these. This is a full first impression, like I literally just got them in the mail. It is a plastic container and it comes with a little doe foot applicator. There's a little bit of a scent to it, not too much though. This is the shade Bronze. And that is exactly what it says. It is just a super pretty true bronze shade. And looking at it closer, it's not gonna pick up on camera, but there's almost like this multi-dimensional shimmer in it, like all these different colors of shimmer, and it just looks really beautiful. And then next we have the shade number 3 in pink gold. Ooh, oh my gosh, that is right. Both of those shades are right up my alley. Again, the pink gold has like a multi-dimensional shimmer, and both of these are gonna be just beautiful for summertime. So while I'm applying them to my eyes, I'm actually gonna leave it on the back of my hand so we can just kind of see how it sets down, and we'll come back to that at the end of the video. So like I said, I just have a little bit of concealer on my eyes, and so that I can use both of these shades, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the bronze all over my lid and kind of wash it out, and then go back in with this pink gold shade and tap it kind of just on my lid. So let's go ahead and I'm just gonna apply the bronze to my lid, and then I'm gonna blend it out with this brush from the BK Beauty and Angie Hot and Flashy collab. It's the A503 brush. They sent me these the other day and oh my gosh, I was so excited. I'm obsessed with them. Well, that is absolutely beautiful and blended out so easily. As you could see, like when I applied it on, it looked very dark, but now that I've sheared it out, it is like this beautiful sheer sparkly wash of bronze. It feels almost cooling on my eyelid, which I really love that. So if you just wanted that really sheer wash, that was so easy and so quick. I do think that I want to build it up though, since I'm going to place that pink gold shade on my lid. So let's see how it builds. That built really beautifully, really easily. Again, it's still sheared out and it built up a little bit, but I feel like this is gonna be great for like beginners because it's kind of one of those formulas that even though the shade looks kind of dark, well, on my skin it does. It's not hard to work with. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tap that other shade, that pink gold shade, on with my finger so we can kind of see how it works that way too. Okay, well again, it blends it out beautifully. These two swatches on the back of my hand have like almost completely dried down. Like even running my finger over them, the only thing that's like really spreading, I mean, I guess it's shearing out a little bit, but it's still set down. Like the only thing that's spreading is the shimmer. So now I'm just gonna take the number 3 pink gold shade and I'm just gonna kind of pop it on my lid and blend it out with my finger. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, well, they layer very, very beautifully. They set down to, it feels like almost a powder finish. So I understand the claim that it's not gonna crease or accentuate any lines or anything on your eyelid. So here's the side where I have both of the shades. Beautiful, beautiful, like sophisticated shimmer almost. And then here's the side with just the bronze shade, 2 layers of it. It's such a pretty, like I said, just sophisticated shimmer. So I'm gonna add, oh, it's really pretty. So I'm gonna go add that pink gold shade to this eye, add a little bit of eyeliner and mascara, and then I wanna come back and do some comparison swatches to some other cream eyeshadows that I have. I swatched some shades. That's really hard to say. Swatched some shades that I thought might be similar to the Sisley number 5 bronze. So here we go. At the top, this is the Sisley number 5 bronze. Next we have the Giorgio Armani eye tint in the shade number 9 called Cold Copper. Next we have the Lisa Eldridge Liquid Lurex in the shade Angelica. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in Oyster Pearl, or the old name was Marie Antoinette. So these were the shades that came to mind whenever I saw this new Sisley one, but really honestly, none of them are the same. So I think the Sisley and the Charlotte Tilbury are the most similar, but they're all different. So I feel a lot better now about purchasing the Sisley. So let me wipe these off and I'm gonna do a comparison that I have for the shade number 3 pink gold. So the next comparison I have is, so on the top we have the new Sisley in the shade number 3 pink gold, and then underneath we have the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize in the shade rose gold. These are extremely similar, with the Charlotte Tilbury only being a little bit peachier and maybe warmer in tone. I do feel like the Sisley has more shimmer and more of a cool shimmer, whereas the Charlotte Tilbury is more of like a golden pink. And I mean, as you know, if you don't know, the Charlotte Tilbury, it comes in these, it's really dirty, but little pots, and it's more of a moussey formula, whereas you could see the new Sisley is like an actual true liquid formula, liquid eyeshadow. But these are similar, but not so similar that I'm like, oh gosh, I don't need them both in my collection. Like I said, this one, the Sisley, is gonna pick up cooler, as you could see when I applied it, and the Charlotte Tilbury is definitely more peachy warm. So overall, y'all, these are really beautiful. And like this look, I know it took me a little bit longer on camera, but for like an everyday, like really quick, just slap it on your eyes kind of look, these are perfect. And I think that I'm probably gonna have to order more of the shades. As you could see when I showed you the Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize, I use these a lot on an everyday basis, like going to work, because I'm not a morning person, and the quicker in the morning, the better. And these are just the kind of shadows that I reach for. So they're beautiful. They are completely dried down on my eyelids, and there was no fallout from the shimmer underneath my eyes, which is like almost unheard of. I love these Lisa Eldridge Liquid Lurex, but as the day goes on and if you apply them and blend them too much, there is a little bit of fallout. Not so much with this shade, Angelica, but some of the other shades. I still love them, don't get me wrong. But this one, the Sisley, is definitely a lighter of a formula, not quite as heavy and thick, and it shears out so beautifully. So these are a win in my book. I will be picking up more of the shades. Like, that's just, yeah, I will be. So let me know in the comment section down below if you've picked these up. If you have, do you love them? What are your thoughts? And as always, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!